Disclaimer: all contents provided by this channel are meant for educational and informational purposes only. It is very important to do your own research and analysis before making any investment based on your personal circumstances. Due diligence is the key. Trading market always has a risk involved.
Mga ka-chubs, for this week, April 2, 2024, mag-oil price update muna tayo. The price of gasoline will increase by 0.45 pesos and the price of diesel naman will decrease naman by 0.60 pesos and the price of kerosene will also decrease by 1.05 pesos. So mga ka-chubs, akala ko mas malaki pa yung increase natin sa diesel saka gasoline. Kasi ang price ng oil ngayon sa world market is sobrang taas na. So ang price niya is nasa $80 per barrel yata, no? And mga ka-chubs, for key data to be released this week are the following. So, April 1, today to, US PMI, saka Philippine PMI pala to. So, ano ba yung PMI? PMI is Purchasing Managers Index, is an indication of the country's expansion. So, the reading can range between 0 and 100. If the index reading is higher than 50, then it indicates an economic expansion. This means that the closer the reading to 100, the higher the degree of positive economic growth. And for bukas naman sa Philippines, PPI. So bukas din to, April 2, US job opening naman for March. And April 3, US PMI din. So na-discuss na natin to, Purchasing Manager Index. April 4 naman, US initial jobless claims for March. And for April 5, tatlo naman siya, Philippine CPI, year-on-year for March. So, CPI, yan yung Consumer Price Index. So, parang yan na rin yung inflation rate natin for March. Tapos, nandyan rin yung US non-farm payroll for March and US unemployment rate for March. And for our top gainers last week, March 25 to 29. So, ang top 1 natin na sa gainers is si Century Pacific Food Incorporated or si CNPF. Up siya ng 13.31%. CNPF, nag-gap up siya on Wednesday amid the window dressing activity. So, nag-gain siya ng 3 pesos at the close of that day. The company is also trading at an overbought level with an RRHI 72. Share price surge ahead of its financial year 2023 earnings announcement on April 8. So, Monday to, next week. So, abangan natin yung earnings niya next week, Monday. Next naman natin, si Converge ICT Solution Incorporated or Converge na lang for search. For short. So, up siya ng 6.52%. Converge is continuing being one of the top index gainer from last week after reporting yung financial 23 earnings niya with 9.1 billion pesos. So up siya ng 22.3% year-on-year ahead of consensus and estimates. It is also one of the top foreign bond stocks at 127.65 billion pesos. Tapos ang top 3 naman natin ay si Monde Nissin Corporation or Monde. Up naman siya ng 6.02%. So, the company is continuing its strong uptrend direction, breaking out of its bullish descending flag pattern. The company is also trading near overbought level with RSI 67. And for our top losers for March 25 to 29, ang top 1 natin sa losers ay si Jollibee Food Corporation or si Jollibee na lang. So, down siya ng 4.39%. Jollibee is investing to $28 million for a 10% stake in Butrista Incorporated to grow its coffee and tea business. It is also one of the top foreign sold stock at 292.84 million pesos. Ang next naman natin for losers ay si DMCI Holdings Incorporated or simply DMC. Down naman siya ng 2.91%. The stock gapped down on Wednesday, March 27, 2024 amid the late selling activity. It also pulled back after being one of the top gainers last week. Tapos, ang top 3 naman natin for losers ay si Bank of the Philippine Islands or si BPI. Down naman siya ng 2.80%. It is one of the top foreign sold stock at 271.28 million pesos. And mga ka-chubs, for our top stocks to monitor this week, unahin natin si Double Dragon Corporation announced that its subsidiary Hotel 101 Global is on track to develop its Madrid hotel project targeted to be completed by the fourth quarter of 2025. It is also located on a 6,593 square meters property. Tapos meron din siyang 680 rooms. Hotel 101 Madrid will commence construction in April 2024. So, malapit na to. Sa April ngayon na pala to, no? Tapos, ang gagawa sa kanya is si Ferrovial Construction Group, one of Spain's largest construction firm. Double Dragon also highlighted the strategic timing of the hotel's opening coinciding with the start of the Madrid's F1 Grand Prix. At the current level, so the stock is currently trading above its long-term moving average. So, above siya ng MA 200. But below sa kanyang mga short-term averages. So, below siya ni MA 20, MA 50, at the MA 100. Also, the stock is currently naglalaro siya sa around 40, indicating near oversold condition. Therefore, consider accumulating sa around 7.65 pesos per share. So, around dyan sa MA 200 support levels is advisable. Given that the stock is continuing to adhere to its upward channel movement. Tapos, mag-set na lang kayo ng stop loss sa around 7.30 pesos per share. Tapos, pwede naman kayo mag-take profit sa around 9.15 pesos per share. Next naman natin, dapat bantayan, si DigiPlus Interactive Corporation. So, buy on pullbacks tayo dito. Yun talaga yung main play. So, DigiPlus Interactive Corporation surged to a new 52-week high at 11.80 pesos per share, back up its exponential gross gaming revenue growth for its online gaming business. Last financial year 2023 net income surged by almost six-fold year-on-year to 4.1 billion pesos on the back of sustained growth of its digital retail segment, boosted by the introduction of its new platform amid and cost efficiencies. Meanwhile, yung revenues naman ng company reported at 27.3 billion pesos on higher user traffic on its flagship Bingo platform. So, BingoPlus at sportsbook naman niya si ArenaPlus. The company is currently trading above all of its moving average. So, above siya ng MA20, MA50, MA100 at MA200. With an RSI at ang overbought level at RSI 90. So, grabe pala, napakataas na ito. Signaling a strong upward momentum but a big possibility of a retracement. Thus, it is advisable to accumulate on pullbacks near psychological support at 10.50 pesos or around sa 10 pesos is advisable. Tapos, pag-set na lang kayo ng stop loss, 8% below your average price. So, for take profit, so wala. Parabolic tong stock na to, so wala muna tayong take profit dyan. So, next naman natin na dapat bantayan this week is si Converge ICT. So, buy on pullbacks din tayo. Converge ICT Solutions, tapos si Dito Telecommunity Corporation, the telecommunication arms of Dito CME Holdings Corporation, announced that they are signing a landmark master facilities provisioning agreement or MFPA. MFPA will result to an expanded coverage and increased redundancies while generating cost saving and reducing capital expenditure requirements. This will also effectively allow Converge to shift its focus to consumer acquisition and retention to help them achieve their fourth-year target of 4 million subscribers. Traders can accumulate on pullbacks at identified support at around 9 pesos per share. As mag-take profit naman tayo sa around 10.35 pesos per share. And ang ating stop loss naman ay nasa around 8.30 pesos per share. And for long-term investors, meron tayong consensus target kay Converge sa around 11.30 pesos per share. Mga kachubs, let's see our April dividend market calendar. Take note nyo na lang mga kachubs ang mga dates na April 3, 8, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, at 30. Silipin natin kung sino-sino mga companies ang mga nag-declare ng kanilang mga dividends sa mga araw na yan. Mga kachubs, take note to qualify. An investor must already be holding the shares one trading day before the ex-date. And for the type of dividends, regular meaning the company is declaring dividends on a regular basis, and special meaning a one-time payment conducted by a company to distribute assets to its shareholders. So ito pa, medyo marami rin kasing companies na nag-declare ng dividends sa April. Mga kachubs, next naman nating silipin ay si Robinson's Retail Holding Incorporated or simply RRHI. Billionaire Robina Gokong Waypai took a much-needed Holy Week break with her family in Mongolia, also known as the land of the eternal blue sky. The president and CEO of Robinson's Retail Holding Incorporated recently changed her Facebook profile photo to a snapshot of her with her husband, Perry Pai, and their 2 children at the stunning gold doors of Genghis Khan Museum in Ulaanbaatar. In the comment section of her post, she shared that Khan was the favorite military ruler of her late father, John Gokongwei. Kas konting recap lang muna tayo regarding kay RRHI. RRHI posted 2023's attributable net income of 4.1 billion pesos, so down to ng negative 29.5% year-on-year below consensus and estimates. This was dragged by forex losses, equitized losses, and losses from startup investments. RRHI's revenue is nasa around 192.1 billion pesos, so up siya ng 7.4% year-on-year as the financial year 2023 blended the same store sales growth came in at 3.9%. Earnings underperformed brought the stock price down to its all-time low. Tapos naman, we also expect that RRHI will be declaring dividends on May with a current dividend yield of 5.35%. Accumulating RRHI once it's break its 50-day moving averages of nasa around 37.50 pesos per share is advisable. Tapos mag-set na lang kayo ng stop loss 8% below your average cost and take profit naman 15% above your average cost. For long-term investors, our fundamental take profit for RRHI is nasa around 52 pesos per share. So at least 40% upside yan sa current price niya ngayon. We also expect that RRHI will be declaring dividends on May with a current dividend yield of 5.35%. Mga kachubs, next naman nating silipin ay si DNL Industries Incorporated or DNL at si Universal Robina Corporation or URC. Acquisition of URC shares and directors of principal officers. So, ito pala siya. Directors and principal officers of Universal Robina Corporation has been acquiring shares in the Gokongwei's family food business. This is the first time that URC has dropped below 100 pesos per share since June 2022. The drop is mainly due to the downgrade and outflow of funds in the FTSE index from large caps to mid caps. Tapos, ito pala yung mga following directors and principal officers nung nagsibilihan ng mga shares ni URC. David Milagros, Chief Marketing Officer, 800,000. Del Mundo Francisco, Chief Investment Strategy and Corporate Service Officer. So, almost 200,000 naman siya. James Go, Chairman naman, 21 million, almost 22 million. Manalang Jose Manuel, so Director naman siya, around 100,000. So, total, nasa 23 million lahat-lahat. So, ito naman si DNL. So, same lang sila ni URC, pero ang pagkakaiba ni URC at DNL, si URC kasi nasa strong uptrend direction na siya, tapos si DNL nasa baba pa rin. So, yung directors and principal officers of DNL Industries has been acquiring shares in the Lau family's public listed company. DNL stock price is down 12% since late February when the stock price is around 7 pesos per share. Tapos ito yung mga following na nag-acquire. JDL Holding Corporation. Grabe, namamaki, oh. Kasi puro mga Lau family members to, 3. So ito pa, Lau Junior Dean, Joe Alvin. So total niya is 24 million naman. So almost same sila ni URC.
If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe to Coach Chubby Trader, like the video, and share with family and friends. I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.